Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video. I'm gonna be doing a makeup look inspired by these beautiful earrings that my friend made me. Shout out to Eva. And yes, I know I still owe you $10. I haven't forgotten. I just been kind of broke and haven't really been to the bank to get $10, I guess. So first things first, I just straighten my hair, and what I like to do before I start getting ready is I do a doobie. Now, if you're Puerto Rican, you should be pretty familiar to what a doobie is. If you're not Puerto Rican, or if you are and don't know what a doobie is, why would you not know what a doobie is? I'm just kidding. Then don't worry, because I'm about to show you. So basically, a doobie is just to help your hair stay straight. If you don't have natural straight hair like I do, then you know the struggle of straightening it in the morning, and then by the end of the day it's already like frizzy or getting back your curls or your waves. And let's face it, no one likes straightening their hair all day every day, not only because it damages your hair but also because it takes time. So the doobie is just a way of keeping your hair straight without having to apply heat to it. So what I use to do my doobie is this beanie hat. Some people like using like hair clips. I personally don't like that because it leaves marks in my hair and I think it looks weird. So what I do for mine is I brush my hair. Like, you just have to like wrap it around your head like this. Please ignore my roots. After you manage to like wrap it somehow like this around your head, you're gonna take the beanie hat and just try putting it from the back first, like this. And once it's like this, you're done. No, I'm just kidding. Then you try fixing it in the front. Make sure it's all around your head. And after you fix it like that, you can like twist it like this. And yeah, that's how I do a doobie. So moving on to the makeup, I'm gonna start by priming my face. Once again, I'm gonna be using this one by Tarte. Let me focus that even though it's not focusing. Whatever, just prime your face. After I'm done priming my face, I go ahead and use my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Instant Age Rewinder by Maybelline. And I'm just going to apply that to my under eyes. Just try making like a triangle like that, I guess. After you're done applying your concealer, go ahead and blend it with a beauty blender. After I blend my concealer, I like to use my contour stick by Maybelline. It's like this. It has like 2 shades, but I literally only use like the dark one for the contour. So I'm just gonna make a line here. After I'm done applying the contour, I go ahead and blend it with a blending brush. You can use a beauty blender if you want, or I don't know, whatever you use to blend, just blend it. After I'm done blending my contour, I go ahead and use this BB cream. It's by Perlice. I don't know how it's pronounced. This is actually a sample from Ipsy, but I absolutely love it, and I'm already running out of it and it's making me sad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit, like right here, not a lot. You don't really need a lot when it comes to like BB cream. Please come out, I need some of you right now. So after you squeeze some on your hand like that, just go ahead and apply it. Like this. And then just go ahead and blend it with your beauty blender. So after I'm done blending my BB cream, I go ahead and bake under my eyes. I'm going to be using this translucent powder right there. Let me focus that for y'all. And I'm going to be using this brush by Tarte. And I'm just going to get some like this. Now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using these two brushes, an angle brush and I don't know what this one is called. And I'm gonna be using this dark brown eyeshadow. So first I brush. And now the other one. Now moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm gonna start with this palette, the Tarte to Go or Pro to Go. And I'm gonna be using the lightest shade here just as a base color. Then I'm gonna use this palette by MAC. Like literally the only color I use from this palette is this orange right there. And I'm just gonna take some of that orange and apply it up here. After I'm done applying the orange, I'm gonna use this palette. It has a lot of colors, but I'm gonna be using this hot pink right there. I'm just going to blend it with the orange so it kind of looks more red-ish, I guess. So once I'm done blending the eyeshadows, I'm gonna go ahead and use this concealer. I'm gonna put a little bit on my fingertips like this. Like really just a little. When I first got that concealer, I didn't know that you only needed a little bit. So my whole face was like really white. So I do not recommend that. Anyways, go ahead and apply this here on your eyelid. And blend it with your fingers. After I'm done applying the concealer, I go back to this palette and I get this gold color right here. And I put it on top of the concealer. Next, I'm gonna go back to this palette and I'm gonna get some of this white right here. And I'm gonna apply that on my brow bone just to like blend those edges and it doesn't look so harsh. Then I get my highlighter and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on top of where I put the white eyeshadow. After I'm done with the highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the baking that we were doing earlier. After I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go over my contour one more time with this powder. It's called True Match by L'Oreal Paris. And I'm just gonna get the same blending brush and get a little bit in there. And then just so after I do that, I'm gonna go back to this palette, but this time I'm gonna be using the ones that has like all the greens. And I'm gonna be using this color right here and this brush. And I'm just going to apply that under my eye. After I'm done applying the green eyeshadow, I go ahead and apply this eyeliner to my waterline. It's called Chocolate, but I love it because it looks red when you apply it. So yeah. Once I'm done applying the eyeliner, I'm gonna use this glitter palette that I got at Claire's. It's so cute. And I'm just gonna apply glitter like in my inner corner. So I'm gonna use this one up here. It's cute. And I need my mirror because I'm blind. Now I'm gonna be applying mascara. I'm gonna be using this two. This one I got from the dollar store, and this one was a gift from my best friend Ariana. Mwaks. So first I'm gonna be using this one. And then I go over it with this one. After I'm done applying the mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush. I'll be using this one by Tarte. After I'm done with the blush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply highlighter. And now finally for the lips, I'm gonna be using this red lipstick by The Balm Cosmetics. This is the shade Adoring. And I'm actually gonna do this off camera because applying red lipstick is a pain in the butt. And I'm actually running out of this one, so that makes it like 100 times harder. So I'll be back. Now that I'm done applying red lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and use setting spray. I use this one by L'Oreal Paris. It's so good. So far it hasn't let me down, so I recommend it. So now I'm gonna go and let my hair down, put my earrings on, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. So yeah guys, this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love it. Look how cute these earrings are. Oh my god. Hold on, let me take off my glasses. This is how it looks. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with your friends and family. And I guess I'll see you next time. Mwah.